I'm going to show you a 6-figure side hustle that not a lot of people are doing, requires no experience, and you can have it set up by the end of the day. First, you're going to go to capterra.com and click on categories. Pick a software category that's interesting to you and you think a lot of people will be searching for on Google. Then search the products in that category on Google and see if they are running ads to any of these products. If you see this little word ad next to it, that means that they are. So find one that's not running ads, like this one. Next, you'll want to Google that product name and affiliate program and see if they have an affiliate program you can sign up for. Then sign up to be an affiliate. They'll give you a special referral link that looks something like this. Then you're going to go to ads.google.com and create a simple ad. For a faster way to make money, click the link in my bio.